I am pretty much impressed. Hi Shay Babes, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Ayana, and you want to go ahead, press that subscribe button and that notification bell next to it so you will not miss NT videos from me. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Girl, I have finally taken down my 5-month-old mini twist, okay? This is what my hair is looking like. I actually just got done detangling my hair. I wanted to go ahead and detangle my hair before I shampooed and conditioned and all that good stuff. I did use the African Pride Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water detangling and condition pre-shampoo. This right here, game changer. No more stressful detangling sessions with this, okay? Anywho, like I said, I just got done detangling my hair. I'm going to go ahead and start my wash day. I did want to try out the Carol's Daughter Goddess collection because I've heard so much good things about it, and they actually sent it over to me, okay? Obviously, first thing first, I'm going to go ahead and shampoo my hair. I'm going to be using the Carol's Daughter's Goddess Strength Fortifying Shampoo. It said it's for a weak, breakage-prone hair, so we're going to try this out today and see how it's working. So let's go ahead and head over to the sink. Okay, first thing first, I'm going to go ahead and rinse out the detangler I had in my hair, the pre-shampoo. Rinse that all the way out, and then after I'm done doing that, I'm going to start shampooing my hair. This fortifying shampoo is actually in an 11 fluid ounce bottle, and the price actually ranges from $11 to $16. It depends on where you're buying it from. This is a moisturizing shampoo, and it's also supposed to help strengthen the hair 15 times. It says 15 times after one use. And this is also supposed to help reduce breakage by 94%. This also is supposed to be like a system. So you want to use the shampoo, conditioner, you know, the whole collection in order for each product to work well with each other. It also states that this shampoo will be perfect for those who have dry hair, curly hair, and weak hair. So I did make sure to shampoo my hair twice. I don't really have any huge critique about the shampoo. It didn't dry my hair out. My hair didn't feel stripped. My hair just felt good and clean. Alrighty, so I am done shampooing. I'm going to go ahead and move on to conditioning. I'm going to be using the Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength Fortifying Conditioner. This conditioner was stating that it helps restore intense moisture into the hair, helps strengthen the hair, improves manageability of the hair, and it's supposed to help detangle your hair easier. So we're going to find out about that. Even though my hair is already pretty much detangled. I detangled it before I shampooed, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, but I do want to see what this is talking about with the detangling, because y'all know I am picky with conditioner. So I'm going to get a generous amount of that, and then I'm going to put this in the hair. The conditioner was also stating that it can be used as a mask, or you can just rinse it out after 5 to 7 minutes. I might just go in with my own deep conditioner because I do want to do a strengthening deep conditioner today since my hair has been in mini twists for a while. Off of first impressions with this conditioner, like I said, I am very picky with conditioner. I would not detangle with this, but I am going to try with my comb. It doesn't have the slip that I need and look for when I am in need of detangling. But far as like the moisture aspect right now, I would say it's more on the like lighter moisture side for my hair because I have really thick coarse hair, so it's more on a lighter weight side when it comes to moisture. But I am going to let this sit in my head for 5 to 7 minutes, so I'll come back and see, you know, what that is feeling like. But like I said, I've already detangled my hair earlier. Would I use this to detangle my hair if my hair was not already detangled? No ma'am. Especially if you had really thick hair like me, I would not recommend. But in my personal opinion, this does not have the slip that I like to use or look for when it comes to detangling. So I would not be detangling my hair with this. So I'm gonna apply this conditioner all over my head, and like I said, I'm gonna allow it to sit in my hair for 5 to 7 minutes just to see if it adds any more softness or moisture to my hair. This fortifying conditioner actually comes in an 11 fluid ounce bottle, and the price again ranges from $11 to $16 depending on where you purchase. This conditioner also states that it makes your hair stronger 15 times after one use and also lessens the breakage by 94%.
Like I mentioned, this can be used as a hair mask. You just leave it on 5 to 7 minutes and then rinse out. I also wanted to mention that this entire collection actually has castor oil, black cumin seed oil, and ginger in it as well. As I continued to put the conditioner all over my head, I was actually feeling it, okay? It was actually softening and hydrating my hair, so I was loving it.
Alrighty, so I am done putting the conditioner all over my head. It does add a little bit of more moisture or hydration into the hair, so I do feel that going on, and it does have my hair feeling like smooth, if that makes sense. It did do a little bit of softening and adding moisture into my hair, so I'm not gonna lie about that. So I did let this sit in my hair. This was the first section I did. I let it sit as I continued with the rest of my head, and I can say it did soften up my hair and add a little bit of moisture into my hair as well. I'm gonna allow this conditioner to sit in my head for 5 to 7 minutes total, because I just finished this section up here, so she need to get some good loving as well. So I'm gonna let it sit in my hair for 5 to 7 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it out to see how my hair is feeling after this is completely out of my head. Right now, it's not a bad conditioner at all. Softened up my hair, add a little bit of moisture to my hair as well, so she's good.
Here's the ultimate test. We're rinsing out the conditioner. I did use warm to cool water to rinse this out. I definitely wanted to make sure that this conditioner was up to par, because we hate to have a conditioner just go down the drain.
Alrighty, I am back from rinsing out that conditioner, and this is what my hair is looking like. My hair is still soft, and it still feels like the conditioner is still, you know, doing something to my hair, so it's not completely out of my hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my deep conditioner, because I wanted to do a deep conditioner today. I'm going to be using the Sacred Reconstructing Treatment Mask today. Now this Goddess Strength collection, I don't believe they have a deep conditioner. I don't know, because it wasn't sent to me. So I am going to jump into just styling my hair with the leave-in conditioner they sent over. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything situated with my hair, and we'll be back. Alrighty, so I am back and ready to style my hair. So next I'm going to be using the Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength Divine Strength leave-in cream. Now this leave-in conditioner says it can be used on wet or damp hair, so I'm gonna use on my damp hair. It also says it's supposed to help moisturize the hair, strengthen the hair, and prevent breakage as well. I am gonna do a twist out today, so I haven't done one in so long. So that's the plan, that's the style for today. I'm gonna pump a good amount of this leave-in cream and apply it to the hair. I'm not gonna be too quick to judge, because it does remind me exactly of the conditioner, so I'm just gonna continue to work this through. I'm also gonna go in with their hair oil. Now when they sent me the package, literally almost half of this bottle was empty, so I literally have just a little bit down here. So if I do run out before I finish my hair, I will be using the A Rose natural hair oil. So that's the backup right now. I am going to use this 7 oil blend hair and scalp oil today to help seal in that leave-in conditioner. So I'm just going to do a good amount of that, massage that into the section. Okay, so yeah, this leave-in conditioner is exactly like that conditioner, so you really do have to like let it sit in the hair for a little bit. Not bad, it's doing something, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and split this section in half. Like I said, I am gonna do a twist out. I have not done one in a very, very long time. I'm gonna fast forward through this part, because I always, y'all know the drill with the twist out, okay?
This leave-in cream actually comes in a 10 fluid ounce bottle and costs between $13 to $16. The oil blend is actually in a 4.2 fluid ounce bottle and ranges between $13 to $16 as well. Both products actually help aid in reducing the amount of breakage and also getting your hair a little bit stronger. The oil blend has 7 oils, which are sunflower seed oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, coconut oil, black cumin seed oil, linseed oil, castor oil, and soybean oil, and can be used daily if needed. The leave-in cream is supposed to help intensely moisturize the hair and reduce breakage, and also help strengthen the hair as well. Overall, I actually enjoyed using both of these products. My hair enjoyed it as well. It did a really good job with hydrating and softening my hair. So I had a really smooth wash day, actually, like very, very smooth.
Y'all, so I am completely done twisting up my hair and moisturizing it, and I am pretty much impressed. Some of the Carol's Daughter products that I used back in the past, they didn't work well on my hair at all, but this collection, I'm not gonna lie, it did pretty well. As I continued to use this leave-in conditioner and this oil, my hair felt very, very hydrated. The oil isn't like too oily either, so I do like that. But yeah, my hair feels really good. This was a pretty good wash day. I'm gonna allow my hair to air dry. I probably sit under the hooded dryer for about 45 minutes and then allow my hair to air dry for the rest of the time. And then I'll be back to take my hair down. All right, y'all. So it is about 2 days later. I let my hair completely air dry and then I sat under the hooded dryer, took it down, unraveled and all that good stuff. So this is what my hair is looking like, the twist out. I think my hair turned out pretty good. So let me give my final thoughts about the Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength collection. Number one, let's talk about the shampoo. It's a shampoo. I'm not too picky when it comes to shampoo unless it's claiming certain things. So I'm not too picky about the shampoo. It got my hair clean. It had a nice lather as well. Y'all know I love a shampoo with a nice lather. So this had a really good lather, thick and creamy, okay? So I don't really have too much, you know, negative critique about a shampoo. It needed to clean my hair and it got my hair clean. Let's move on to the conditioner. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I enjoyed using this conditioner because it did a nice job with actually softening and hydrating my hair. You have to let this sit in your hair for at least 5 to 7 minutes, like it said, and then you can judge it. So that's why I enjoyed using this conditioner. Now, in my opinion, does it have slip? No, not the slip that I am looking for. So I would not detangle with this conditioner, in my opinion, especially if you have super thick, coarse type 4 hair like me. But other than that, it did a really good job with hydrating my hair and softening up my hair, especially after you leave it in for the recommended time that it says. Moving on to the styling products, I use the Divine Strength leave-in cream. I was very impressed about this product. It does remind me of the conditioner in the sense of you have to let this marinate in the hair for a little bit in order to feel like that softness and hydration. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like it. The only thing is when I use this along with the oil is an oil. I'm not too picky about, you know, oil blends. Using those two products together did a decent job with having my hair moisturized. Now, is my hair the most moisturized, like maxed out it's ever been? No. So if I were to use this combo again, I will probably use my shea butter or a thicker cream to seal everything in, because my hair loves thicker creams to seal all the moisture in. Like I said, this product right here does a really good job with adding that softness and hydration to the hair, so my hair felt extremely hydrated when I was using it. But I need a thicker cream afterwards to seal everything in. But for the sake of this video, I didn't want to do any of that. I wanted to see how these was going to perform on their own. So I know next time if I use those two products, I'm going to use my own shea butter or a thicker butter cream to seal everything in on my hair, because that's what I need. That's what I need on my hair. As far as those two products, it did a decent job with leaving my hair pretty soft. My hair feels like my hair feels lightweight, if that makes sense. So I know for sure, like I said, my hair is not the most maxed out moisture it's ever felt in my life. So I know this will probably last me, I would say, until 2-3 days before it starts feeling dry. So I know next time, like I said, when I use these two products, I gotta use a thicker butter, shea butter situation to seal this in. But overall, I believe I had a really good wash day. I'm not even gonna lie. I was not stressed. I was impressed because, like I said, when I've used Carol Daughter products in the past, they did not work that well on my hair at all. But these products in this collection, for me personally, did a pretty good job on my hair. But anywho, let me know down below in the comments, have you ever tried the Goddess Strength collection by Carol's Daughter? Let me know all them details down below. Let me know how it worked on your hair. What was your favorite product in the collection if you have one? But I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share. Sharing is caring, so go ahead and do that. Don't forget, you're beautiful, you're strong, you the best music, and I will see you guys in my next one.